Yo, welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I remain your humble host, Topi. So, a friend of mine posted this particular track on his WhatsApp status. Like, he used it to edit a particular video, or I think it was the original video he posted because it was all black and white, and it's kind of like the guy aesthetic. So I was not sure if it was his or it was the original one. So, but I like added it to my playlist, and like, oh, I'll check it out later and like do a reaction to it. And so the artist is it Lekuj or Kuji? I don't know, Lekuj or Kuji or whatever. Yeah. So the title of the song is Nightmare, and from what I heard, I actually thought it was apparently is a Nigerian artist because from the sound, like the sound he played, it didn't sound like it was a Nigerian artist that did it, but it's kind of slapped. But then let's listen to the full song entirely, and yeah, he's actually a Nigerian. He's the one that produced it also, and like let's check it out. Funny how his name James is the name of my friend that posted it. His name is James. So yeah, yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Let's check it out.
Kuja, wake up! Kuja, wake up! Kuja, wake up!
I fuck with this intro. 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 Wait. Actually fuck with this intro. That was the ape from the last planet. Is it Planet of the Apes? Like the one where I think the last one they dropped where humans were like extinct or humans could not talk. Yeah, so it was more like the change of power where apes are now like the top tier and humans are just nothing. That was, I've forgotten the movie. I actually love that line because I remember when I watched the movie, I was always saying that line. What a wonderful day! I actually fuck with this intro, bro. I fuck with this intro a lot. It's nice, like the whole like that beginning. Could you wake up? Could you wake up? And like, but that trance is nice. Like, should I say Castlevania? All this vampire movie when they are trying to introduce or when they are showing them in their layer and the darkness and everything. That's like the beats they used to use, that piano sound. Like it's nice actually. I read this intro. I read this intro. I fuck with this intro. This fire, I'm not gonna lie. This fire, man.
They don't like you.
Bro, this is fire actually. This is nice, bro. This is nice. This is nice. Like this is it's just but this is I fuck with this actually. I won't even lie, man. This is actually cool. Like it's cool, man.
Cause I don't know. This is your heart, I go feel like we won. You little bitch, I go. And you go. They told me shut up, Lekuj the Chris. I tell them fuck up, I need their face.
This is fire, man. This is fire. This is fire. This is fire, man. I'm going to follow. I'm following, man. This is fire, bro. This is solid. This is solid. This is actually fire. Like, this is nice. Like, this is nice. Like, bro. Fuck with this actually. The only issue is that in the Nigerian music space, right? Like it takes time. Except if you're a very big artist that has had like a, how should I say it, a big pool in the industry, right? It will be hard for somebody like for a sound like this to make wave in the Nigerian music market. Why? Because everybody is used to the normal this thing up until when the night introduce piano, then people start mixing pianos. Nigerians especially started mixing pianos with Afrobeat, and it became very big. So if this actually hits, because this is nice, but the issue is that a lot of people would not seem to understand the concept of this song or understand like this song per se, because everybody have their own sound, she gets. So yeah, a lot of people will not be able to comprehend how good this song is. But then I don't blame them again. It's just for selected few like us. Because I'll tell you the fact that yeah, this song is actually nice. Whoever this artist is, yeah, bro, like I'm going to find your handle and full. I just hope that I'll definitely check out other of his songs, right? But this is just the one in particular that I kind of saw my friend's status, and like the chorus, like this was what made me want to like listen to song, because the intro was just too nice. I was like, bro, and the video too was the black and white, the flash, like it was good. And I checked it on, and bro, the song's actually nice, man. I'm just hoping that actually like hits, like because the song is actually good. It's actually good. Then this is fire actually. I'm not even going to lie, man. I'm not even going to lie. So yeah, tell me your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification button. And I will see you all in my next YouTube video. Thanks.